We have this air purifier that we purchased recently on Amazon. We have been feeling like it's not quite as effective as it was when we first got it. So what I'm gonna do today is clean the filter. That's going to help its effectiveness. So on this air purifier, the filter is going to be located on the lower section of the purifier. If you flip it upside down, you can see that there is an emblem here that has a lock icon and an unlock icon with an arrow. So if you turn it counterclockwise, it will then release and you have access to your air filter. So now I'm going to pull it out and you can see all the dust and grime and stuff that's on it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned off next. All right, so I got this air filter sprayed out real well. I shook out as much moisture as I could. I'm not gonna just let this sit in the sun for a bit so that it can fully dry. And then I'm gonna place it back in and twist the bottom, just like how I showed you when you pulled it out. It's important that you let this thoroughly dry before you put it back in. You want that moisture to fully dry out. So I'm just gonna let this sit in the sun for a little bit. Once it fully dries out, I'll put it back in that machine and we'll be good to go. Hope that helps you.